Welcome guys, this is Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner, and I am going to be demonstrating how I got this coconut image. And I was asked by one of my viewers how I did that, so let's see. This is the Sweet Citrus stamp set from Stampin' Up, and as it says Sweet Citrus, so it was meant to create citruses. So I saw a designer over on Pinterest, and I think her name is Swimming with Stamps, and she had created this card, so I tried to recreate that. And I didn't see a video or anything, but I just winged it, and it came out just as good. So I'm going to show you how I created this, and you could get creative and do it different ways, of course. So the image right here, it's one piece, right? So I just am going to get these two pieces right here. So this comes in one piece. Some people cut their stamps apart. So I'm going to bring in a piece of cardstock here, a white piece of cardstock, and we're going to ink that up. I'm going to use a dark brown ink. So the dark brown ink is Early Espresso by Stampin' Up, so you could use whatever color ink that you would like. And we're going to go ahead and ink this up. And I have this on a large block. I have a piece of it hanging over because for the demonstration purposes, I just wanted a couple of these to show how I got that coconut look. So we're going to go ahead and stamp that image right down here on our cardstock. And there we go. So we have that. So you could use whatever brown you want. If you feel that that's too dark, you could use a lighter brown. You could stamp off and give you a lighter image too as well. So what I did is I came in with a pencil and kind of outlined. So you could use a pencil. You could use a watercolor. You could use a regular pencil. You could also use your watercolor pencils too as well. So I actually came in with a pencil and I just kind of outlined where I want the halo to be. And that's what I did. So therefore you could also use your watercolor pencil, and this is in the basic gray, and then you could do the same thing here. All right. So like I said, it's so many different ways you could do this. Also, what you could do, if you have a blender pen, you could take that and use your ink, you know, if you don't have these things. So you could use your basic gray ink, any kind of gray ink, and you could use your watercoloring pen to give you that initial outline. So next, what I did is I came in with a blending brush, and this is just a small little blending brush. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to come in with that gray ink, basic gray, and I am going to dab some here on my brush. And if you want, you could kind of blend off here and then start from in the middle, and I'm just using the top tip of the brush and start in the middle and blend out. And then blend out. So you until you get the desired effect that you would like. Okay. Let's do some with the one with the watercolor pencil. So pretty much that is how I created that. So you could take your time, get the desired effect that you would like. If you dab off on your blending brush, you don't have the inside to be as dark, and you blend from inside to outside there. And then you could clean up your pencil marks, okay? And pretty much that's how I got that created. And it's so many different ways. If you don't have a blending brush, again, you could use your blending pen if you have one too as well. You could use your dab sponge if you have a dab sponge that's quite small enough. You could use that too as well. Get creative. There's so many ways of doing this. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys got creative value from today's video. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.